Guys, it's a late start to a very should have been early started today. I'm working on still trying to upload yesterday's video. I can't get it to upload. I'm having issues. So I have to re-edit. I have to do everything and start all over. It's 1:19 and I'm editing a video that has to go up at 5 o'clock. But the good news is, that was number 14. That was number 15. And this is number 16 in a row. That's right. In case you don't understand, with the vlog channel, I've been doing decent with my vlogs, but I've never really daily. I did a good job starting daily, then I missed the travel day, where stuff did happen, but missed that day. Then I had 2 days to become one vlog and a 3-day vlog and stuff like that. So I've missed days, or just didn't pick the camera up for like a week at a time. But this video right here that you're watching is vlog number 16 in a row. And for the last 16 days, I've been on point. Might not have been the most entertaining stuff, but it's been on point. And for the most part, on my daily time, which is 5 o'clock. So, I got to get this finished. Ow, my ear. Gotta get this finished, gotta get it done, and I gotta get a shower. I need a bath. But I'm trying to get this done first. It's just taking way longer than it should have.
Please get my Green Ranger down. Please get my Green Ranger down.
So y'all watched yesterday's vlog, cause it did get up. Y'all know little brat there misbehaved. Not bad, just misbehaved, you know, typical 4-year-old. But he basically got everything he wanted and or asked for and surprised yesterday. So he might have got it, but he didn't get it. There. This is Green Ranger Pop that y'all didn't see yesterday because I took the camera in, but I didn't do anything in Barnes & Nobles. And he got a Green Ranger Pop.
I know you like this, kid, but are you sure there isn't a better tweet? Sure, Gumball and I love people.
Open it.
Nope, can't do it.
So all that bugging me, you're putting him back up? Why were you putting it back in the case?
It's just raining down.
You happy now?
Yep.
Okay, go have fun. Yes.
We're gonna put them up when you gets here.
No!
Hello.
So, today's vlog is going to be really short. Partially because I just got meat in the ribs. But up until not that long ago, guys, I've been on the computer all day. And he hasn't liked it. Because he's been bored. But if you look back to yesterday, on the other channel, a video went up. Yeah!
Give me a thumbs up.
And if you look at this today,
give me a thumbs up. They give me a
on
thumbs up.
this other channel, a video went up. Yeah. But here's the catch. Y'all have already seen it. I'll gladly take the view if you want to go see it.
And Logan left again.
Logan wasn't even here today. But all it is
Yeah.
it's a simplified version of yesterday's vlog down to the two big key points.
Hello, Daddy.
Hello, Thomas. We have the donut taste test for the cake batter. And we have his first fidget spinner. So, all that's done. I finally got it to edit properly. As you know, I got yesterday's vlog to finally edit properly. I'm talking. Got it to edit properly and go up.
That I lost my fidget spinner. And I want my daddy to go get it back.
And that's why we can't have nice things.
Yeah, because I really want my fidget spinner back.
I didn't take it. He lost it. He don't know where it is.
It's in the car.
I don't think it's in the car. But
Not in the truck in Grandma's car.
I don't think it's in the car. But if it's not raining, I will go see. If it is raining, we'll wait for tomorrow. Not that it matters, because I'm pretty sure it's after his bedtime now. So he won't play with it much now. Anyway. So I'm in the car. Not giving it time to focus, because it is raining, just not hard. And look what I found. So he was right. Oh boy. Take y'all with me so maybe y'all can see some cool lightning, because the lightning looks cool tonight. And hopefully my camera don't get wet. Oh, you saw it. I saw it. So let's see if we see any more lightning real quick, guys. I mean, it's heat lightning right now, and bolts are definitely better. You're on my toe. But I'm not gonna sit there all day and look out into the darkness to try and see some lightning. Let me clean this off. Y'all see any better now? What? You what?
My fidget spinner! I missed it! Give it! Give it! Give it to me!
I mean, it's a tight fit for his little fingers, but he's got it down pat now, guys. We're gonna put him to bed. It's time. I think that's extremely cool. I can spin it, and us looking at it normally, it's one solid light. But I also really think it's cool, and y'all tell me how looking at it. See, now it's getting solid for y'all. But it's spinning this way. That's the direction I spun it. And it never stopped spinning that way. But on camera, it stops and starts going the other direction. Someone leave that in the comments. Explain to me how, as I want to know. Also, I'm probably gonna fail. I did it once. I'm gonna spin it and try to throw it and catch it and have it still spinning. So here's nothing. I hit my fingers and you guys went flying. It hit my finger. It hurt. Ready? I'm gonna fail. I know it. I've tried this several times. I've only done it once. Here we go. Twice. Failed. Anyway, one more time. One more time. Oh, that was so close. We will do it one more time. Close, succeed, fail. This is the last time today. Ready? Maybe if I look at that versus the lens, it'll be good. Yo! Question is, can I go back? Nope. I can't even do it again. Nope, I can go this way. I can't go this way. But anyway, we're gonna get him to bed now. Are you walking or no? Now jump. Alright, get up and give me a hug. There's Power Ranger. Got your poop. What? Bubba's right above her head. Kids. Gotta love them though. You wanna do it with me? Huh?
Yeah.
Say, until next time.
Keep it real.
Keep it real.